6.4, number 9. With a present value of $135,000, what is the size of the withdrawals that can be made at the end of each quarter for the next 10 years if money is worth 6.4% compounded quarterly? So present value, end of the month, end of the quarter means ordinary. We're given the present value of $135,000 as the initial deposit lump sum. Trying to find what the payments are. Talking about quarterly. So that's compounding of 4 1/4, right, for the interest rate. We have 10 years and an annual interest rate of 6.4%. So convert that to a decimal. And so you get 0.064. All right, so the number of payment periods is going to be 10 times 4, so that's 40. And the period interest rate is going to be the annual interest rate divided by the compounding. So 0.016. And so we have an ordinary annuity, and we want to find the present value. So that is, the present value is this payment times the growth factor. All right. Okay, and so what do we have? We have present value, we have interest, payment, number of payment periods, and we're trying to find R. So we need to divide through by that expression. So our payment is going to be the present value divided by the term in the brackets. And now plug in the values and compute. So 135,000 divided by 1 minus 1 plus the period interest rate. Negative 40 and over the period interest rate. All right, so that will be 135,000 divided by 1 minus 1.016 to the minus 40 over 0.016. All right, so 1.016 to the minus 40, that's again going to shrink because they have a negative power there. So this term in the brackets is going to be 1 minus 0.52. Again, keep all the decimals. Don't round until the very end on this. So that is 0.47 over 0.016. Minus that. And you get, this is 29.3, so 135,000 over 29.3 gives you payment of 4,595 and 45.6. Okay, so you round this. And so that is your payments. Okay, so something that's important, let's look at what's going on with this. So what is going to happen is, if you look at how much money these generate, so just as a quick aside calculation, so 40 payments at this payment rate, or this payment amount, is going to give you 183,818 and 40 cents. And so if you then compare that to the amount that was put in, you see that it generates an additional 48,818. So this is additional money you get compared with the starting amount.